recipe developer at InnoChef Malaysia. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tilapia with spicy bean sauce using the brand new FRICOMIX air fryer multi-cooker. Right, before we get started with all these ingredients, I'm going to show you, this is the multi-cooker. Okay, there's two parts. One, you can use it as a multi-cooker, and the other part is to use the air fryer function. So today we're not using the air fryer function, so we're going to swap the lid. Okay, so this is the air fryer lid, and we're going to change it to the glass lid. Well, actually we don't need the glass lid at all. Just leave it open. Okay, so we need to preheat this to pan fry the tilapia fillets. So now I'm going to choose the saute function, set at 200 degrees, and I'm going to press start. Okay, that is going to preheat. While it's preheating, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, don't let it preheat without anything inside. Okay, so just give it a quick swirl around and just let it preheat. Okay, so now I have 2 beautiful pieces of tilapia fillet. Okay, but I left the belly bone on, the rib bone. Okay, why? Because it will hold the shape better, and plus there's a lot of meat, so I don't want to waste it. Okay, so we need to season this with a pinch of salt on both sides. These 2 pieces, they've been scaled and lightly scored so that it will cook more evenly, because over here it is a lot thicker than the tail bit. Okay, so these are pat dry, okay, with kitchen towels, paper towels. Okay, and then you season it just with a little smidge of salt on both sides. If you are not a fan of tilapia, you can use pomfret, like golden pomfret. You can use siakap. You can use any white meat fish, light fish. Okay. Okay, the multi-cooker is preheated. How can you tell it's ready? Is when the timer will start counting down at 40 minutes. Okay, that's when you start cooking it. So fry it skin side down. Okay. Cook each side 3 to 4 minutes until the whole fillet is cooked through. You can adjust the cook timing, which is increase or decrease the timing depending on the size and thickness of your fish. Okay, once you can see the sides of the fish turn white or opaque, you can flip it. Now continue cooking on the other side or this side for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's completely cooked through. Okay, now I can tell my fish is cooked through. Okay, if you don't know how to check, just use the spatula to like separate the meat where you score it, and if it's white, that means it's cooked through. So carefully take it out and transfer it to a plate. Alright. 1 and 2. Oops. Okay, now switch off your multi-cooker and set it aside. Keep your fish somewhere warm while you cook the sauce. Before we start cooking the sauce, we want to combine all the sauce ingredients first. Okay, so you're going to need some toban dejan, tau pancang. This is a chili bean sauce, and I'm using Lee Kam Ki brand. Some sugar, soy sauce, corn flour, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, some water, and a pinch of white pepper powder. Give it a good stir then we can start cooking. Okay, so to begin cooking, you're going to need garlic and shallots. You're going to turbo one time. Nicely chopped up. Oh, spicy. Nicely chopped up in less than 5 seconds. Now I'm going to scrape it and add oil, then we can start cooking. Oil. When you put the oil in, just give it a quick twirl, swirl around, just so the oil will coat the side, especially the induction heating part. Okay, yep. We're going to saute it for 2 minutes at 110 degrees, speed 2. Now we're going to add carrots, mushrooms, fresh Chinese mushrooms, and red bell pepper. Okay, this is an important part. You want to tilt it and mix it counterclockwise, okay, to get the heat even. Okay. You've done that, we're going to cook this for 2 minutes, 120 degrees, speed 2. Okay. Quickly give it a stir. Around about 10 times counterclockwise. Why I'm doing this is because I want to get like the wok hei effect. Okay, it's really hot around here. Okay, so I'm utilizing all the heat that is available in the pot right now. So now I'm going to add the sauce premix. Okay, and give it another quick stir. Okay. Now we're going to cook it at 2 minutes, 120 degrees, speeds 2. Okay, the sauce is ready. For the final touch, add chopped spring onions, the green part only, and chopped coriander. Leaves and stems. Okay, fine. Last part, stir it again while scraping all the entire induction heating zone, and that's it. The sauce is done. Okay, we do not need to cook the herbs because it's cooking in the residual heat inside the mixing bowl. So now grab your tilapia, okay, and pour the sauce all over the fish. Allow the sauce to completely cover the fish so it will absorb nicely. Yep, and that's it. So this is tilapia with spicy bean sauce. It's enough for 2 people. It's a simple meal to cook. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.